Today's video we are going to learn how to hide on Unhide toolbars. Okay, I created this login form and somebody commented and asked me how he can unhide the toolbars. So let's get started. So this is the form, the login form I created initially, and the video is on my page. So we are going to learn how to unhide the toolbar. So let's go to this workbook and let me make some corrections in the code here. So if you have watched the previous video, you will see that when you open the when you log in, the toolbars are hidden. So we are going to learn how to unlock them. So I've changed certain things, that is why you can see my toolbars here, but I'm going to make corrections in it so that I'll teach you how to do it. So I'll change this one to false, and this one also to false, and then this one to false. So what it means is that when I open the login form, okay, the formula bar will not show. Okay, the workbooks to the workbook tabs will not also show. Okay, and then the toolbars too will not also show. So that is what I have done here. I'm going to write another code that would enable me to hide and unhide the toolbars. So I'll insert another module. Okay, so I'll copy my code, okay, and then paste it. So I'll paste the code here, then I'll save my work. Okay, so after that I'll create buttons in the sheet. Okay, so I'll go to insert and then let me create buttons here. So let me customize it. So this one will be, let's say, hide. Okay, Control D to duplicate, and then show. Okay, so I'll assign the code to each of these buttons. So assign macro. So this one is hide, and this one is show. So that is it. So if I click on hide, you can see all the toolbars and the sheet tabs are all hidden. Okay, and when I click on show, they are back to its normal. So this is how you can hide and unhide toolbars in Excel. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.